Yes, I be Sapele boy. To the executive governor of Delta State, His Excellency Elder Sheriff Oboriwori. Oga government wey wan work, dey lis ten to the masses. But this your government will not be so. Una rather dey pay median aids, SSA, just to dey sing una praise, whereas we inside the state will not dey see any development, only on TV. Because make it make sense. For a very long time now, we don dey cry for this our platform say landlords and agents dey make tenant for this Delta State wey you dey govern. Your median aid no dey carry this kind important issue wey go benefit the common man for Delta State come give you. But when we use defamative word now, they will carry am come your table. Because see Abia State now, they don pass am into law. See Ebonyi State don pass am into law. So wetin Delta State House of Assembly dey discuss for the house every day? But rather una prefer to dey pay median aids just to dey sing una praise, whereas we wey dey inside the state no dey see any development. Delta State still dey underdeveloped for 27 years. So I dey put out to the governor now and the House of Assembly members Delta State, make una emulate Ebonyi State, make una emulate Abia State. Delta State is bigger than these two states. Agents and landlord wan finish tenants for Delta State for your time as a governor.
When truth is shared by your enemy, when the truth is shared by your enemy, you know that you are getting it right. You know, the Bible said, when your thing please the Lord, it make even your enemies to be at peace with you. That video you watch is coming from a supplement. Now, I'm not saying that Urobo are completely enemies to the Igbo. But you see, for those who think that Igbos are the problem of Nigeria, mostly we, the South Igbos. I use the word South Igbo so that you know that today we have been caught into a region called South. And so many people have been using it as their origin. But South can never be anybody's origin. It is a political creation and not a natural creation. Naturally, nature has made me an Igbo man. And I cannot take what Nigerian government call me or whatever you call me to be my tribe. That is the truth. I saw a video where Johnny tagged the picture I posted about we visiting Ono Wabagana for a young festival, and he said we are IPOB. I bust laugh. See it now. IPOB states are doing better than you. There is not. See what the state governors are proposing for their people. The indigenous people of Biafra are now, their governors are now performing well. Go to Asaba today. From the head bridge of Asaba to welcome to Edo State. I mean, that federal highway, there is no single spot that has a good road. No single spot that you can drive for straight 1 minute without meeting a pothole. In fact, without even diverting from the lane where you are going to another lane. Without seeing a truck of holdups and traffic congested areas. Without seeing dishes, waterlogged areas. It has gotten to the point that people are not diverting into other people's village in order to navigate to their destination. Okowa is a roadmaster. The man just finished governorship just less than 4 years. Just less than 4 years. There's no single road. Even down to Agbo, no single road, even inside the communities. The youth have to be blocking and collecting money so that trucks will not even pass and spoil the same road. If you see past some of these diverting roads, they're even worse, just that the traffic is not congested. I go lie for you. I go lie for you. Now my state now, I know the terrain more than you think you know it. But see it now. Even for this, even for that, even for there's no security. There. See now, Nigeria in this 2026 has not had any issue with the southeastern neighbors. but they configured you to believe that Igbos are the problem. Southeast is not safe. In the definition of man's wants, it was stated in economist textbook that what a man wants is food, clothing, and shelter. Food, clothing, and shelter. In the entire Nigeria, those who are mainly on the street begging for food are not found in the southeast. And even inside southeast, most people who are beggars in the southeast are not Igbos, they are not Southeasterners. I go lie for you. When you see all these Fulani fine children holding your cloth, staining your cloth everywhere in Enugu, Onitsha. Then you come to clothing. People that can wear one rag and smell anyhow are not found in southeast. And anywhere you find the Igbos, you hardly see them as the most dirtiest people. Not beauty, we are talking about cleanliness, which is next to godliness. I go lie for you. The same thing now goes to what we call shelter, housing, building. And not just building, building and its environment. Go and see Asaba today, as rain they fall heavily these days. Asaba people are complaining no August break. Go and see Asaba. Go to Asaba, go to Agbo if rain fall. A mechanic driver was telling me and Omu the day we took the car to mechanic in Agbo that if rain fall, Oga, you know Agbo well, park some places, no move around. If they carry car. Roadmaster, another person I want make you go back to Senate. And those people in Agbo are the one calling us IPOB for accepting our Igbo. And I've told you people, I rather believe an online country than to believe in the lies and falsehood and illusion and delusion that many of you are living in this so-called Delta North. If you want to say you're an Igbo person, you must be an IPOB. Igbo people, they pay you. Who they pay you for denying your Igbo-ness? As your name na Onyibe, as your name na Ndoka. Who they pay you? Not only us that they pay, but they know they pay you. Poor man always think that every rich man has his hands soiled. Every poor man to console himself is that, I'd rather be a poor man than to put hand in the devil. Now every poor man put hand in the devil. You never see poor people, now even poor people, they put hand in the devil pass. Now, poor people, they do evil pass. You don't know that nature does not respect you because you are poor. Now, poor people, they do evil pass. I go lie for you. People when they see for internet where they say that they maltreat their housemate, now rich people, not be poor people. Not be poor people, they look the oga kill them. Now rich people. Poor people are wicked more than the rich. You can carry and tell say they pay you. I've shown you for the last 1 week. Every rich man you know in Delta North, they have not, including Okowa. I use him as an example. In the so-called Eka, in the so-called former governor, including Okowa that you put a championing as a roadmaster, he has accepted the Igbo. Show me who pay him. I rather believe to be an Nyamiri, an online country boy, proud unity beggar, than to be a denier like you, a liar. You don't have any argument. That's why you want to tag us IPOB. You think that will make us to drop the agitation we are doing. We're gonna be here 10 years. I've told you people, we just did only 2 years and people are crying. Wait for the next 8 years. It's gonna be a long ride here on the internet. Siam, the Igbo state, let us get a normal and join Southeast. You are crying. Look at what the governors are doing. The same thing Soludo is doing. Ebonyi State has done it. Soludo, the laws they are making in even Anambra to even monitor how they do burial, to decide how people, everything, just to make sure that the people that are poor and rich, nobody is intimidated. You can get a house affordable. Light is more stable there. As big as what Onitsha is, Onitsha has more tar roads than the whole of Asaba. Onitsha has more tar roads than the whole of Asaba. I go lie for you. These are reasons why you should know. If you want to come and speak anything against Igbo, you should speak with facts, not with lies and propaganda, not with they say, or assumption. We are going to be here to be showing the reason why you should embrace your Igbo-ness. The day we, the Delta North, we embrace our Igbo-ness and work like an Igbo person, that day, you will see how the government and our politicians in this region will respect us. That is the truth. I'll go happy for the Bulago, Omake Wele Amebe. Since we have been denied that we are not Igbo, see how we have been treated in this arena. See how it has not benefited us. That's why the politicians can take money, pocket it, and nobody will question him. Exactly. We have big men here who cannot even question the politicians. Tony Elumelu, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Jimovi, name them in this so-called Delta North. Can any of them question any of them? No, don't pocket everybody. When you remove your friend from the question will remove you too. Exactly. And that's what is happening. I'm out of here, John.